guys, I am outside of Chanel in Miami. I can't wait to take you inside. I'm going to show you as much as I can. So let's head inside. Of course, subscribe to the channel. You guys know how much that helps me. I have so much amazing Miami content that is coming. Hopefully you've been enjoying it so far, and let's head inside. Okay, so I want to show you some of the bags at Chanel. This green one is so nice. I love this cute little card case on chain. Cute little brooches. They've got this seasonal bag over here, a little vanity. And then behind they've got the little trendy CC. Got this cute backpack. Lots of these teal green colors. And there's like a brighter green over here. That little backpack up there is so cute. Sorry for the zoom. So here's like a little overview. I'm going to go over all of these bags with you. They've got some of the Chanel 19 bags over here, which are really cute. This pink color, denim. They've got this tweed wallet on chain one. And then check out the DeVille up there. Pink. I love this vanity case.
I have a video.
Yes, you're so cutie. Jewelry pieces from the new collection. Multicolor. This clutch is amazing. Little crystals and pink. Behind, there's some more cute little scissor pieces. There you can see we've got like jewelry issues and plastic flags. Check out this little like multicolor one. So it's got pink and green. It's got a little top handle. Such a pretty piece. Scarves over here. And then look at this tote. So pretty. And they've got some of these wallets and chains in the 19. And these are from their older collection that had just passed, I think, from the cruise one. Gold. It's pretty interesting bag over here. It's almost like a little picnic basket. They've got this pink patent. These brooches are really cool. And then look at this little bucket style bag. It's got this insert that you can change up, so you can make it different colors. I guess the interior of the bag. More of this patent pink color, which is so much fun. And then this, I think this is a belt. I'm not sure though. This cute little tennis piece. These cute little shoes over here. These cute little brooches. Oh, I love these earrings over here. With a little chain detail, this dark green color. We've got this one. This is very statement with the bow. Chanel 22 bag in this white. Love this color. button details is so pretty, and I like how it kind of A-lines out a little bit at the bottom. Really pretty. We've got this little jacket over here. Look at all the details. I love this from the new collection. So this is it in white, but they also have it in black. This, I believe, comes with like a matching jacket. It's so cool the way it cuts in the middle, but I feel like it's too long. It would look better shorter. Another little vanity. Oh, I love this cardigan. This is my favorite thing that I've seen so far. This is so cute. Little cropped cardigan. Let's see. There's this pink one. But yeah, I love this one. I feel like it's such a nicer cut. This little cute t-shirt over here. Okay, so they've got a lot of great shoes. I feel like these would be super comfortable. 23P collection, so the spring collection. Just a little pearl detail. They've got both of these, black and white. I think the black would be better, just this one would get so dirty. But they're so cute. They're $12.50. There's this one over here, not my favorite shade of pink, but it's a cool shoe.
So I'm looking for something.
Ooh, okay, so I saw this one online. It's completely crystal embellished. $29.50 with the crystals. And they also have the just glitter one, $9.75. The one with the crystals is so cool. And then this one is such a statement as well. $14.75. This one's really pretty with a little heart detail. They also have it in white. Such a nice little classic piece here. This is such a great style. I love this one. And then this is what they have for the ballet flats. $900, and the crystal one is $14.75. Let me show you this. It's kind of got like an iridescence to it. It's pretty cool. There's these. They've got this one in patent. Not a fan of this one. It's like with some nylon. It looks a little bit cheap, this one. Is it just me? But yeah, not my favorite. Ooh, okay, here they have more ballet flats. This one I really like. This one's super unique. Love this one with little embroidered CCs. There's this denim one, but I love this. This is really cool. It's not too in your face, but it's a little bit special. It's really pretty. And then I'm going to show you a couple of these slides. I love this with the little crystal detail. So pretty. $12.25. Color's nice. So they have this also in cream with black, and then just all black. Black one's great. The blue one I just showed you is really nice as well. And I love this over here with the tweed. Pretty. And here's a little overview of a few more shoes. They've got these that spell Chanel. They've got these little slides here. Some platforms. These will be super comfortable. They'll give you some height, but I don't think they're aesthetically very pleasing to the eye. Like they're comfortable and I don't know, maybe they're okay, but I don't know what those. And then they've got some boots over here. This one's really cool. Little cursive Chanel. Let's see what the price point is. They don't have a price on those. They've got these, which is the chain detail, which is so cool on the back. I love the way that looks. And then this one has even more details. It's got a little coin with Coco Chanel, the pearls. So good. And then as you can see, they've got so many running shoes over here. Wow, they really have a lot of running shoes at this location. This is pretty cool colorway over here. They're $13.50. What do we think about the Chanel running shoes? This is a newer style because they've had this one for a long time, right? This with the sock style. Not a fan.
These on?
No, I have this. I think for you.
They have these more like spring pastel ones over here. This is kind of cute. And the pink, the green. Oh, and then they have these. They're kind of like a low top. But all of these sizes, let's see what size this is. It seems so big. So these shoes are so special. Look at the bow detail on the crystal, on the heel, satin. Such a nice shoe. And then over here they've got another one with a little bow detail. These are in suede. And then you're just seeing so many of these Mary Jane style pumps everywhere, from Zara to Chanel. These are pretty cool with a little turn lock. They also have the ballet flat version of these, which I don't know how that would look on. And then they also have that in white. This I think is from their older collection. This cute little brooch with the heart. Pleated skirt. This great little bomber over here. This little swim cover up, or it's a jumpsuit. Interesting. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. It helps me out so much. Follow me on Instagram or TikTok. It's just DV Double Vanilla, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.